LCI paper is now carrying 4 new colors of metallic specialty paper by Aspire Petallics: Wine Cup, Spearmint, Snow Willow, and Black Ore. And now what's nice about these colors is that they have improved inkjet printer compatibility. Now, in general, metallic paper is recommended for laser printers because the wet ink of an inkjet printer has trouble adhering to the metallic surface. This can result in smudging or bleeding ink and longer drying time in general. So let me show you what I mean with this silver ore Petallics card. Now, this is one of the original Petallics colors, not one of the 4 new ones that I just mentioned, and it is recommended for laser printing. So you can see when I get in close, because this was printed on an inkjet, an Epson R1900 inkjet, the wet ink really just didn't adhere well at all. I mean, it's completely spread out. There's a little bit of smudging present in the center, just not a nice look. And in comparison, this is one of the new colors, Spearmint, printed on the same printer, the Epson R1900, and there's no bleeding whatsoever. There's nice, sharp, crisp, saturated text, no smudging, just really nice. And the two in comparison are just totally different. Now I want to show you an example of the same cards printed with a different inkjet printer, a Canon Pixma IX 7000. I just want to show you that with different printers you're going to get different results. So here is the older silver ore color. Again, not recommended for inkjets, like I told you. You can see when you get in close, there's a little bit of smudging. It's not very sharp, not very saturated, and the ink, the text is sort of dragged across the line there. And in comparison, this is the new Spearmint color, which has improved inkjet compatibility. And when you get in close on this one, it is not as saturated as the results on the Epson, but it is sharper. There's no bleeding or smudging. So in comparison, Epson, darker, and this is the Canon, which is slightly less saturated, but they are both sharp. And just to show you one more example of that, we have some text weight envelopes. This is the Canon, again, slightly less sharp, and the Epson. In my printing test, I found that the 4 new Petallics do indeed have improved inkjet compatibility. And I do want to emphasize that just as I got 2 different results from 2 different printers on the same paper, so will our customers. Results vary with the type of printer you have, the type of ink it uses, etc. So it's very important to test, and then you can know for sure whether the results your printer yields are acceptable for you. And if you have any questions about printing on our new Petallics paper, give us a call or email, post a comment. We'd love to hear from you.